Russia keeps on pushing, seen here with 2 tanks having mine trolls, but gotten immobilized when running over mines. Showing their equipment leaves holes in capability, having 2 tanks getting destroyed next to each other, with Ukraine's drone army working hard to completely destroy the systems. Leading first to one having an ammunition cook-off, which seems to spread to the other tank. Causing the ammunition to ignite, causing first an explosion on one and later on the other tank, having 2 turret tosses, showing Russia struggling to push forward even with their most capable equipment, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.